Very important to sort of understand what's out there in terms of healthcare services, and the physical therapy department, occupational therapy department, and respiratory therapy department have a great event going on here to let you know what are your options in healthcare.
It's a great day today to ask questions to faculty and to students about the programs here at the College of Rehab Sciences. Those include occupational therapy, physiotherapy, and respiratory therapy. A lot of our tools and assessments are out on Showcase. You can actually get to see what we do and with who in every sector.
You actually get to see and hear what OTs, PTs, and RTs do in their professional work. Aside from that, you get to get more information from the admissions teams that are here, so that you kind of know exactly what you need to do to get into our program.
I came last year as I was considering applying for the program, and it helped me immensely. I got a lot of amazing information, and it helped really solidify the decision to come here.